So this is out of our garden furniture. I just went to put new screws in and it died. So what we're going to do, we're going to glue it back together with Purbon. First thing we're going to do, just wet the timber. I've just got a sponge, wet it, bit of dampen him up. The moisture, what happens, the moisture helps with the cure, because the Purbon has actually got an additive in it that chases hydrogen atoms. So by putting H2O, which is water, gives you all the hydrogen you want. So by dampening it, you get a chemical bond as well as a mechanical bond, and it works really well. So you'll notice I'm just putting the most minute amount on. I'm putting more than I would if this was a good piece of timber. I'd be spreading this right across the surface. Oops, the telephone. Where's that one go? I think that goes there. Worst part about gloves. Tim, I'll put that in there. And we'll put a bit more glue here. Oh jeez, whoa, enough to sink a battleship. We'll spread that a bit. Notice how it's already started to foam. The F20 and the F5 start to foam fairly fast. Don't panic, you've still got time to put it together. Right, I'm just trying to get some of this excess out of. Whoa, I lost me doohickey. I had that strategically positioned too, just like that. So I just want to get all the surface covered. It'll squeeze out anyway. So getting him together. Will it? Oh, look at that. We've got an extra pair of hands here now. You want to put the clamps on, mate? As soon as you're sticky beacon. Pull him up tight. Tight as it'll go. When you glue with Purbon, you want as tight as you can get it. The tighter you can, the less gap, or no gaps even better, and the tighter you can clamp, the better your bond. And I'd almost put my hand on my heart and say, once it's cured, you won't break it at the glue line. It'll break somewhere else if it breaks. The reason it broke in the first place was because it had split a bit. Whoops, I want him down. It's a bit like a mature person. The cracks start to show up.
Put 'em.
There we go. Oh, we've got way too much glue. You'll see when this is finished going off that we're going to have glue everywhere, but the good thing about Purbon is it's easy to cut away. Fully waterproof, and this will cut away. Don't try and clean it off while it's still curing, because you'll get yourself into trouble every time. Wait until it's finished. It'll cut away easily with a chisel or a knife, and we'll just run the drill back through the holes and she'll be Mickey Mouse, just like new. I thought I'd just finish off with our glue joint. I've used way too much Purbon here, and I can still press it in and it pulls away. So if you can still pull it away and it's still flexible, it's still not cured enough to pull off, but we're getting there. I reckon another 5 to 10 minutes, because there's a 20-minute cure. This will be ready to rock and roll. When you're using the Purbon, if you've got a good joint, I want to make sure I add plenty in here to let it squeeze into all the joints, but if you've got a good joint, you shouldn't have more than that coming out of your joint. If you're not, if you've got like this, you've used too much glue. Ideally, like this fella here, and you're ideal. Once you clamp, it just comes out of the joint. Ideal amount. Put the thinnest layer on the surface you can get away with. That way you won't have problems with dags coming off and sticking on all your gear and things like that. So it makes it a lot easier to clean up. Well done, folks. There you go, our bit of timber cleaned up. I've deliberately left a bit there so you could see it. But our join line, just a bit of sanding, and away she goes. So that's our timber glued up. It's all in one piece and everything's back solid again, and instead of rickety like it was.